Creating a newborn sleep schedule can feel overwhelming at first, especially for new parents who are still adjusting to their baby needs. Newborns do not follow a fixed routine, so it's important to guide their sleep gently with simple and consistent habits. Here are some simple strategies that can make bedtime smoother and help both you and your baby enjoy more peaceful nights. Newborns require a significant amount of sleep, usually between 14 to 17 hours a day, but this sleep comes in short, irregular stretches. Instead of expecting long, uninterrupted nights, it's important to understand that frequent waking is completely normal at this stage. By recognizing your baby's natural sleep patterns, you can set realistic expectations and create a gentle routine that supports their growth and development. Your newborn awake time plays an important role in preventing them from becoming too tired. Most newborns can stay awake for about 45 to 90 minutes at a time. If they stay awake longer than this, it can be harder for them to fall asleep. Putting your baby to sleep at the right time helps them settle faster and sleep more peacefully. Feeding your baby before sleep is an effective way to help them stay full and comfortable for longer periods. A well-fed baby is more likely to fall asleep peacefully and wake up less frequently due to hunger. Incorporating feeding into your sleep routine also creates a sense of comfort and security, making it easier for your newborn to relax and drift off to sleep. Swaddling is a simple yet powerful technique that helps your newborn feel safe and secure, similar to the feeling of being in the womb. It reduces sudden movements caused by the startle reflex, which can wake your baby unexpectedly. When done correctly, swaddling can promote longer, more restful sleep and make it easier for your baby to settle down. White noise can be incredibly soothing for newborns because it mimics the constant sounds they heard in the womb. Gentle background noise helps block sudden disturbances and creates a calm sleep environment. This consistent sound can help your baby fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, making it a valuable addition to your sleep routine. Establishing a simple and consistent bedtime routine helps signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. Activities like feeding, changing into comfortable clothes, and gentle rocking can create a calming pattern your baby begins to recognize. Over time, this routine builds a sense of predictability and comfort, making bedtime smoother and less stressful for both you and your newborn. By understanding your baby's natural patterns and using simple techniques, you will create healthy sleep habits and enjoy a more peaceful daily routine together. Over time, these small efforts will lead to better sleep for both you and your baby.